At certain times, you feel like you are stuck, blocked, and confused. In most cases, this confusion is not because you don't know how to make decisions or how to do things, nor is it about fear, but you don't just know what to do. You may even have your goals and schedules put in place, and you realize that you are no longer motivated and do not know what to do next. In this video, I will share 9 things to do when you are stuck and don't know what to do. 1. Accept your confusion. The secret to success lies in the very thing you're avoiding. Often, people ignore the fact that they are clueless about what to do and try to force themselves out of the state of confusion. However, their attitudes makes things worse for them. The foremost thing to do when you don't know what to do is to acknowledge your uncertainty. If you want long-term success, stop avoiding what's hard and embrace it now. Although it is discomforting to accept that you don't know what to do, acceptance is the first step, and it is paramount to learn to be comfortable right in the discomfort. In the words of American author Seth Godin, discomfort brings engagement and change. Discomfort means you're doing something others aren't likely to do because they are hiding out in the comfort zone. 2. Just stop and don't do anything. Many people presume that stillness is a passive act, but then again, being still is one of the most rewarding actions to take when you don't know what to do. In response to the confusion that comes from not knowing what to do, people panic and attempt to hastily do something. Just anything immediately. This response is not usually favorable for the situation. One action that helps you feel better amid the misunderstanding about what and what not to do is to keep still and do nothing. From that stillness, a path opens up, or the answers you seek appears. One bitter truth is that if you want the outcome that is best for you, you should not force a solution. Instead, allow things to unfold as they are intended, understanding that you don't have the whole picture, and that's okay. 3. Write. In the Harvard Health blog, Jeremy Noble, MD, MPH, says that when people write about what's in their hearts and minds, they better make sense of the world and themselves. The words you write do not have to be accurate or coordinated. They only have to be heartfelt. Writing allows you to open up about how you truly feel. By writing down what you are thinking and feeling, you will be able to find clarity on what you want to do with your life. Writing helps your mind slow you down so you can structure the information in your head. It is also a great way to release and understand your emotions even if you do not like writing. It can be useful to jot down your thoughts, reread them, and study how you think. 4. Unplug. We are way too connected to technology today. Switching off your cell phone or computer will allow you to relax. Today, one reason why people get confused about what to do is that when they get overwhelmed, many go online. Many individuals are so attached to their phones that when the phone's battery is low, it seems like there is nothing else to do in life. If you doubt me, carry out a task. Carefully examine your activities from past days. You will be shocked that almost all of them are online activities. In the words of British-born American author Simon Sinek, when you disconnect from technology, we allow our minds to wander and access different perspectives within our thoughts. If indeed the world has gone digital, then you must learn to remove your online plug from time to time and incorporate more offline activities on your to-do. In doing so, you will find solutions to problems that we thought there were no solutions for. We become more energized, seeing things around us that would otherwise be lost. 5. Revisit your values. Have you ever exerted your whole strength on a particular task, trying out different methods, yet getting no result? Well, many times the reason for stagnation is that you're not aware of your values and needs, or that they have changed and what previously fulfilled you does not seem to do so now. When your life misaligns from your costs, you feel unhappy. Also, when your needs are not being met, irrespective of the efforts you put onto tasks, you get confused. The fact that your decisions are not birthed from your core values could be what's keeping you stuck. Hence, being aware of your needs and acting in line with them can ease the tension. 6. Talk to someone. If you don't know what to do and don't like being alone, call up someone. Just having another person around you can help you feel good and excited, and usually end up figuring out things to do for the day. The great thing about the world today is that anything you might want to do has already been done by someone else. Sometimes humans think that they have it especially tough, forgetting to recognize that other people have had challenges as well. Getting honest feedback from a trusted friend, colleague or coach who we know has our best interest at heart and have a similar block can help us see a different perspective or uncover a blind spot. Also, if you are sociable, you can always go out and meet new people. It can be a great learning experience to listen to a stranger's point of view. 7. Try to figure out what may be bothering you. In the cases where you don't know what to do, the chances are high that your mind is not at peace. Most times, discovering the things that bother you, no matter how small it is enough to change your feelings and uplift your mood. Instead of regretting the past or worrying about the future, focus on the moments you have control over, the present. You can't create a life you love if you're not focusing on your actions in the present moment. Pay attention to the thoughts that go through your mind and fish out the ones that you can solve. You'll be shocked at how better you'll feel when you can resolve or decode the issue. 8. Change environment. Many times your situation, stress and family pressures are too high to let you think clearly. No matter how much you try, you are unable to do so. In such situations, it's hard to know what you want. So it is essential to take out time for yourself. Escape from your natural environment. Preferably go on holiday for a couple of days. But then, if you cannot do so, take a weekend only for yourself, completely isolated, and think about your situation in solitude. If making a weekend break is not possible, go for a walk. It would help if you let your thoughts flow without the daily pressures. Also, environmental change is not limited to switching geographies alone. It can be moving from companies, jobs, apartments, physical workspaces, friends, or even partners that cause stress to you. When you change your environment, you are exposed to new ideas and a broader network and positioning that can help you overcome your confusion. 9. Listen to your favorite track. Music is life. That is a fact. Music can change the mood you have. You can spend hours listening to and finding new music. So the next time you get confused about what to do, take a relaxing bath and turn on your favorite track. Just listening to some good stuff can uplift your spirit, make you dance, and put you in a better position to make decisions regarding what to do. There's nothing worse than uncertainty. The feeling is frustrating and may lead to a display of extreme negative emotions if not adequately handled.